What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Picture this: you just bought a special item that you've been dreaming about for weeks. It's a good feeling, but what makes that experience even more special? Getting a free gift card with your purchase, of course. When you provide incentives like gift cards to your customers, you not only encourage them to purchase more items to reach the amount needed for the gift card, but you also give them a more rewarding and memorable shopping experience that'll have them coming back to your shop again and again. And more business is always a good thing, right? Odoo makes it easy to set up gift cards for your business with our gift card programs in the sales app. We can generate new gift cards, modify them how we like, and have our customers use them in our online shop. Let's see how it works. Okay, to get started, we're just going to head to our sales application, click the configuration header at the top, followed by settings. Here in the pricing section, we just want to make sure that our promotions, loyalty, and gift card setting is enabled. If you haven't done so in your database, make sure to check that checkbox and then click Save before moving on. Cool. With that set up, we're just going to click the products header, followed by gift cards and e-wallet. Here we can see a list of all of our gift card programs that we have set up in our database. We can also confirm that this is a gift card by looking at the program type column. And here, where it's listed, we can see it says gift card. Under the items column, we can also see how many of these gift cards have been generated. This one has 0, while this one has 10. And we can also see if this is associated with any website or POS system, even what company. And we'll get further into that later in the video. Here at Stealthy Wood, we're starting up a promotion to send a $60 gift card to anyone who purchases our latest Alpine table design. So let's make a brand new gift card program, and to start that, we're just going to click New in the upper left-hand corner. When we do, this opens a Create a New Program page, and we can start by giving this a name so our employees know what the gift card's for. So I'm just going to type 60 off with Alpine table. And next, we can check the program type. It's already set to gift card, so we're just going to leave it as is. And below that is the gift card products field. This is where you enter the gift card products configured elsewhere in the database. These are actual cards customers purchase that have a predetermined amount of money on them. So we're just going to leave this to the default gift card setting. Next, we have the email template field. Here's where we can select a pre-configured email that'll be sent to the customer when they receive the gift card. If we want, we can change it by clicking into this drop-down menu and selecting a different template. But we can also see what this template looks like by clicking the internal link arrow to the right of it. And then when we click into that, we'll see a full preview of what the customers see when they receive their gift card. But we're just going to use the breadcrumbs to get back here. And next we have our print report. Now, this field only appears in the point of sale application, if it's installed, of course. And the print report is what would be printed and given to customers who purchase a physical gift card through one of our kiosks. So we're going to set this to gift card. Below that, we have the option to configure things like which currency we want our gift card in, which company this gift card is associated with, as well as what applications this gift card is available on. If any of these checkboxes are selected, we have some extra options where we can choose which point of sale or which website this is applicable for, but we're just going to leave this to all websites and all POS options. All right, now we've got everything configured the way we want, so it's time to generate some gift cards. To do that, all we have to do is click the Generate Gift Cards option here in the upper left-hand corner. And now let's see how we can generate the gift cards. First, we can choose between anonymous customers and selected customers. If we choose selected customers, then we can select specific customers that Odoo will send gift cards to. The quantity to generate field becomes uncustomizable as Odoo automatically updates this field to correspond to the selected customers above. On the other hand, if we select anonymous customers, we can decide on the quantity to generate and the gift card value. And we're going to set the quantity to generate to 100, and we'll set the gift card value to 60. And below that, we have a valid until field, and this is where we can select how long these cards are valid for. So we're just going to click into this field and let's say 3 months. And finally, we have a description section here, and we could set this to $60 gift card for Alpine table purchase. And then after you enter your description, assuming everything looks good to you, all you have to do is click Generate Gift Card. And just like that, you'll notice the gift card smart button here at the top shows 100 cards have been generated. To send these gift cards off manually, we can first click into the smart button here, and then we can see a full list of all of the gift cards that we created, as well as the respective columns that we previewed earlier. And if we wanted to send this to a specific customer, all we have to do is click Send here next to whatever gift card. And then on this page, we can either customize this further if we'd like, or we can just go ahead and enter the name or email address of the customer who bought the Alpine table. We're going to use Deco Addict for this example, and then just click Send. And just like that, Deco Addict has a sweet deal hitting his inbox just about now. Now, you might be asking yourself, how does this look on my customer's end? Great question. Let's take a look. Let's say we're Deco Addict and we're looking to cash in that sweet gift card we got earlier. Now, I've been eyeing this office lamp for some time now, and it looks like our gift card will cover the full amount. So let's click into the office lamp, add it to our cart, and then click View Cart. Below the total area, we can see a field labeled gift card or discount code. Here's where we can put in our coupon code that was sent to our email earlier. I already copied it to my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it in here and then click Apply. As you can see, the coupon code has been successfully applied and we can proceed to check out. Pretty easy, right? And that'll do it for today, Odooers. We saw how to set up gift card programs, how we could send those cards out to our customers, and how those customers can use their gift cards in our e-commerce shop. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.